Hey, good morning, people. My name is The Black Cleaner. I am the author of 3 books, From Hack to Hustler, If Home Was a Person, and Memoirs of a Narcissist. And today, you'll watch The Black Cleaner go to the Black Expat. We'll take a step-by-step look into the procedures that I'm going through right now in order to go from the Black Cleaner into the Black Expat, living here in Panama. Gracias. So I hope you enjoy what you see, and I hope that you're able to take the knowledge and the information that I will be providing in my vlogs to be able to relocate yourself overseas and be able to live comfortably. I will see you at the top. Peace. Gracias. Excelente.